Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your phone number with Verizon, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your phone number with Verizon, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Verizon website at www.verizon.com. Locate the Sign In button in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you do not have an account, select the Register option to create one. Once logged in, look for the My Account section on the home page. Click on My Account to access your account settings. Find the Profile option within your account settings. Select Profile to view your personal information. Scroll down to the Contact Information section. Here, you will see your current phone numbers listed. To verify your phone number, find the number you want to confirm. Next, click on the Verify link or button next to that phone number. You will receive a prompt asking you to select how you want to verify your number. Choose your preferred verification method, which may include a text message or a phone call. If you choose text message, check your phone for the verification code sent by Verizon. If you select a phone call, answer the call and note the verification code provided. Return to the verification page in your browser and enter the code you received. After entering the code, click on the Submit or Verify button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been successfully verified. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the provided code for errors or requesting a new code. Your phone number verification process with Verizon is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.